Hey guys, your buddy here. So we're gonna do a review of this floating leaf riceberry rice. Now, I got this at the local grocery store. Now, if you guys don't know, riceberry it's not mixed with fruit or anything like that. It's actually a type of rice that you get in Thailand, and it's got more antioxidants, all those neat things, more fiber, and it's supposed to be very similar to jasmine rice. And doesn't have that hard outer shell like brown rice has. So I'm super eager to try this out and cook it up. So here's the back. I'm gonna read this. Pause the video, and we're gonna open this up, and then I'm gonna cook it up. Give me 1 second. Okay, so it's open here, and I'm taking a sniff of it. It has a sweet smell to it. It's actually kind of cool. So I'm gonna cook it up, and I'll be back, guys. As you can see, the rice is all done. It has a really sweet taste to it, sweet smell to it. So I'm gonna do a quick taste test. It's almost a fragrant, aromatic, sweet taste, and it's like it's sweet. It's actually quite good. It's got a lot of aromatic hints in there, so definitely check it out. A lot of people are going to enjoy it. The texture is actually very soft, like just regular white rice, so definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post, subscribe to the channel.